Floating PV delivers clean energy without taking up valuable land. But combining PV and water introduces unique design, production, and operational challenges. The SolarEdge solution offers advantages over traditional string inverters to overcome these challenges. Our power optimizers maximize each module's performance independently of others in the same string. Even under challenging conditions due to dust, bird droppings, uneven soiling, or module mismatches, we keep performance high. Our design flexibility lets you build longer strings with uneven string lengths up to 80 modules, maximizing power density on every float, using fewer combiner boxes, less wiring, lower labor cost, and lower balance of system costs. Our advanced remote monitoring allows you to pinpoint issues down to the row, float, or optimizer level, using one for CNI to streamline maintenance and boost uptime. Keep your people safe with SafeDC. Voltage is designed to drop to touch-safe levels during shutdowns, critical for maintenance crews working on water. Floating solar with SolarEdge. Smarter design, safer operation, superior performance.